I comb my hair.
Hey, Grandma, why are you combing your hair with a saw? You are totally crazy.
What should I do, son? I don't have enough money to buy a comb.
Don't worry, Grandma. I will bring the comb. I will go quickly. I will make a comb from the little piece of wood that is left. Today, we will give the shape of a rabbit on the comb, which will make Grandma more happy. I do my work with full dedication. In return, you all subscribe to the channel by giving a like and write a cute name of your respective grandma in the comment. Now I have also polished it after fishing. It looks easy, but it is not that easy. Now take, Grandma, your comb. Now comb your hair properly.
Thank you very much, son. I will never forget this favor.